In this video, I'm going to show you 3 super smart trend filters that can increase the win rate for any strategy by up to 50%. These amazing tools identify trend direction with high accuracy on any time frame, making trading so much easier, especially for beginners. Plus, I'll demonstrate some highly profitable strategies you can build with these indicators for guaranteed success. So, without further ado, let's dive in. In third place, we have a fascinating and unique indicator called the FMU system. This indicator combines different moving averages in the RSI to identify short-term and long-term trend momentum. It also uses bar colors for easy reading. Lime indicates a strong uptrend and red indicates strong selling pressure. While I don't recommend using this indicator for trade entries, it's great as a secondary confirmation tool to filter out false signals. Let's add another indicator like QQE mod to the chart for some examples. Oh, and by the way, if you want to use this indicator with a well-proven strategy based on the QQE mod, just watch the video until the end and there will be a surprise waiting for you as a suggested video box. To enter a long trade, the QQE histogram needs to turn blue and all lines on the FMU system indicator must be green. This setup filters out unconfirmed signals and highlights accurate ones. For instance, a long signal wasn't confirmed because some lines were red and a losing short trade was eliminated. In the last 48 hours, we had 5 winning trades and no losses, showing how effective this filter is. If you're enjoying the content so far, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. In second place, we have the Stochastic Heat Map by Violent. This tool features 28 stochastic oscillators stacked vertically. The average of these stochastics is used to plot a fast oscillator line with a following slow oscillator line, which can also color the candles. Here's what the colors mean. Dark orange or green, strong uptrend, take long positions. Green, yellow, or dark yellow meaning consolidation zone, usually after a strong trend. Blue or dark blue means strong bearish momentum, take short positions. Let's use this indicator with the Arun indicator on the default setting. Arun signals a long position when the green line crosses the red line upwards and a short position when it crosses downwards. Looking at a short signal, the bar color confirms it, leading to a successful trade. Unconfirmed signals are eliminated, including several losing trades. A confirmed long signal results in a win. And another losing trade is avoided by the indicator. This tool is excellent at eliminating fake signals during ranging markets and confirming valid entries when the market trends. Definitely give Stochastic Heat Map a try. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Finally, the Pivot Trend by Lonesome the Blue. This powerful tool isn't widely known, but it's incredibly effective. Here's how it works. It finds the pivot point. It calculates averages of pivot highs and pivot lows. It compares the current closing price with these averages. If both comparisons are positive or negative, a trend reversal is likely. You can customize this indicator by changing the inputs. In the style section, you can remove all the plots, making it really easy to read. When the price is in an uptrend, the indicator is blue. In a downtrend, it turns orange. This helps eliminate market noise effectively. For example, let's look at a long signal here. The green line crosses above the red line, indicating a trend reversal. However, since pivot trend is orange, the signal is eliminated, saving us from a potential loss. A few candlesticks later, we get a short signal confirmed by pivot trend, leading to a successful trade. We see another long signal that might have been a win, but pivot trend didn't confirm it. The next short signal is confirmed and successful, while 2 losing trades are eliminated. Finally, we get a confirmed long position and another successful trade in the last 24 hours. That's 5 wins and 1 loss. Pretty amazing. Of course, you can use different indicators with this filter and the results will still be impressive. Definitely give pivot trend a try and let us know if you find a great strategy with it. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you want to see more indicators with high success rates, check out this playlist and videos right here.